Welcome to the next fun-packed welding video for Retro Ratchet. So yeah, can we repair this? So this is off Escort, sitting up on 2 tyres at the moment, been getting worse and worse. So yeah, you can just see that right the way around that weld there. So yeah, rather than replacing it, yeah, it is a bit rusty, but I think we can have a go at salvaging it anyway. The steel's reasonably thick there, so we'll get it cleaned up and then we'll just see if we can build on that bead there, and then gently without burning right the way through. And that is the plan. Right, so there we go, that's it cleaned up. Crack actually goes right the way around to there. I don't know if that's going to focus. Right around to there and to there. So yeah, we'll try and get some weld on that, and if we have to clean it up more, then we'll go to it with a grinder. Right, so that'll not be leaking now. A tiny little bit there. Right, I think we're good. Let that cool, then we'll get it back on. We'll do a sound check on it. Right, we ready? There we go. Right, so that sounds a wee bit better. Yeah, that definitely sounds a whole lot better. Alright, so there we go. Another job done in Escort. So just this side to get welded.